surfer who can ride Malibu better than anyone in the world is Mickey Dora. As Phil Edwards says of Mickey, his style is so advanced, most surfers don't even understand what he's trying to do. He's very good at winding his way through the crowds at Malibu without losing any of his composure.
Hi, welcome to this video, which is an introduction to Forex trend following or position trading, which aims to catch the really big moves in the market. I've kicked the video off with a quote from Ed Scotto, one of the great trend followers, who said if you want to know about the markets, go to the beach, and he contrasted successful trend following to surfing, and I'll go through why in a moment. Now, many retail traders don't even consider trend following. They want to trade short term, they want to day trade, they want to scalp, but they just end up losing money, and they're just trading in random volatility. The professional traders focus on long-term trends, and if you look at a chart, you'll see long-term trends that last for weeks or months on end, and these are the ones to lock into. So as a trend follower, how do you put together a strategy to get into these long-term trends? My own view is you can use a daily chart to check support and resistance, but you've also should use a weekly chart as well. The weekly chart gives you the big picture. It separates the wood from the trees, in my view. Look for where the big levels of support and resistance are, and base your strategy on breakouts. So you want to buy, in a bullish market, a breakout to a new high. Okay, it's the best way to enter the market in trend following because you're confirming the move. Okay, if it's a good breakout, it's likely to continue. You're then in the trend, and you then need to trail your stop up. Now, this is where a lot of traders have a problem. Okay, they don't have the patience to basically wait for the trend to mature. They just want to grab it early on any retracement that comes back. And it's kind of saying one of the real problems for traders is dealing with uncertainty. It doesn't matter what system you've got to deal with the uncertainty of price. Is it going to come back? Is it going to go forward? And many traders will panic and take a profit too soon. Now, it's very much like surfing because a surfer has to contend with lots of marginal rides while he's waiting for the big wave. When the big wave comes along, he's got to have the courage to surf it for all it's worth, And trading is very much the same. You actually have to have courage to hold those big long-term profits. Most traders can't accept big profits. I read a great article on this once, and the guy's right. They just don't have the patience to wait. But if you cut profits too soon, you'll never cover your inevitable losses, okay? My own view is that, trend following, what you need to do is obviously get the right education and learn a system you're confident in. Take some time to study the bigger trends. You'll see they're always there. Get confidence and make sure that your strategy is very simple. And, then just basically, you only have to look at your prices, say, once a day. So, 30 minutes a day on your trading strategy is enough. You just focus on these big trends and ride them. No one knows when a trend is going to end. So at the end of a trend, you will obviously give back a little bit of profit. But if you caught 50% of every major trend, you'd be very, very rich. On another note, if you want free systems on trend following, check out Richard Donchian's 4-week rule, which is fantastic. I've done other videos on this. It's a free system and it makes a huge amount of money. Okay, just check it out. And also check out the turtle trading rules. They were from Richard Dennis. They're totally free on the net now. And basically, those rules were given to a group of traders who had never traded before, and they made $300 million with them. You can see a trend following strategy that actually has worked. You can see the logic behind it, and you can see that it's a very simple strategy, but it would take discipline to follow. It really does take discipline to wait for big trends, and then it takes discipline to basically hold those trends through minor retracements. But there's no better strategy for the part-time trader than trend following. You spend very little time on your trading and you can make a lot of money. So check out long-term trend following as a strategy and focus on those big trends. And you know, it simply is a great way to trade. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.
Oh my God.